So we're about to take it back to the roots. I'm here, got my bars. Because that's what I do. From now on, I go by the name of CANIS Makhubo. I just wanted to announce that. No longer CANIS Major, but CANIS Makhubo. Let's go. Yeah. Shout out to Quicksand. Get all them lies. Check it. Anunnaki, flying past Abu Dhabi, paparazzi, try to snap for the money, try to get paid off and add through a Ponzi. Gamanani, Angasugumi Ponzi, Illuminati. There's even Steve, Illuminati. Do you believe in me? I don't even believe in thee. I'm just magnetism and electricity. The enemy knows, that's why they be shedding these loads. Next thing the Sheraton blows and your territory goes. 70s hoes, and we just ate them with charity throws. And what the fuck with a black little glass pretend to not even see? That's a stretch. We vehemently keep feeding the greed. We inhale, can't even just breathe. Just inhale, mask on for people to see. Then follow suit like it's some series for G's. Or something. I cut through conversations ever since I stopped fighting. I'm CANIS Major outside, but at home I got nothing. So I bypass the superficial pressure of not dropping. Cause if the stress is on overload, then I'll probably start dropping. A megahertz ain't fit for this metaverse. Fuck a NFT, I've been cherished ever since I first had a verse. Not in my grandmother's basement, my granny had no basis. In no photo member, I guess, but at least it gets kinda spacious. With these rhymes and these placements, and my mind is just racing. While you standing adjacent, like a man in his apron, trying to handle the bacon. Scramble the terms, what's they planning to make it? In this hasty generation of Santas and Jasons. But then again, aren't we a rainbow nation? Say, aren't we a rainbow nation? Get the love for me. Somebody gotta get this round 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 for me. Somebody gotta. CANIS Major rapping greater. CANIS Makhubo. Let's go. It's okay. Shout out to my little brother, Lumans. We are going to perform my life. So. Shout out to Team KwaMashu. Team Mkhumbane, we out here. Let's go. I'm gonna give you some jazz rap. Yeah. Trick up your sleeves, break free, leave cuff lane. Shit got to be paying me something. Hip hop belief, straight as a go-getter. Yeah. Christopher Reeves ain't even seen nothing. Philosophy save me from being stuck in this hard to reach place. God's knows better. And trick up your sleeves, break free, leave coupling. Shit got to be paying me something. Hip hop belief straight as a go-getter. Christopher Reeves ain't even seen nothing. Philosophy save me from being stuck in this hard to reach place. God's knows better. And hip hop parade, we got to pray, we got to breathe and meditate, we got to step, don't hesitate to get your dreams and elevate. My papa told me to be flawless till 25. The biggest thing I can ever do is to stay alive. The psychology is embedded in this steady mind. If I can take care of that, then I already shine. But now I'm 29. And I'm feeling stuck, no job to get a grind, so I am really fucked. No chicken licking if you pity as a sitting duck. No chick would either be thinking of giving you some niggas getting touched. Dying is the thing that I don't fear no more. I've been trying, but I don't think I'm getting there no more. Don't even cry for being odds with my peers though. Hey, trick up your sleeves, break free, leave coupling. Shit got to be paying me something. Hip hop belief straight as it's go-getter. Ha 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 ha. Christopher me from being stuck here in this hard to reach place that got so better. Trick up your sleeves, break free, leave cufflinks. You got to be paying me something. Hip hop belief straight. Ha 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 ha. Christopher Reeves, they me. Check it out. This hard to reach place that got so better. Hip hop parade, we got to pray, we got to breathe and meditate, we got to step, don't hesitate to make your money, then spend away until your venture and your enterprise. Analyze the data of the scope of your endeavors that are televised. There's no revolution for the paradigm, the poor resolution for the ever try. I put my CV just like my CV, I CC, though plan A, very much stronger than BC. You shouldn't put your eggs in one basket, you DB. Life is a gamble and we don't know what we be. Mario is creepy, who the fuck's Luigi? I'm more like Wonder Boys on shoe to beat me feasibly. My stomach's crumbling for noodles at my cuckoo shack. It's that voodoo rap, you can't Google that. Yeah. It's that voodoo rap, you can't Google that. Thank you very much. Shout out to Tony by Nature, Rap Effect. Let's go.